So, good morning, students. This Web Development Frameworks lecture series. The topic we are discussing, we are under the second unit of Introduction to React. In the earlier class, we discussed what is meant by React, why we have to use React, and what are the main features of React. Let's move on to another important topics in React. So these are all the steps to create a new React project. So for this, if I want to React, you need some prerequisite software. Like one is the editor, that is the Visual Code Studio. Another one is the Node.js. Actually, Node.js is the base foundation. So over that, you can able to create as many softwares like React.js, Angular.js, and then Express.js, whatever you. So like with the help of React, you don't have to download the React. Instead, you can use some commands to create your React project. As you can see in the command prompt, but the first thing you should have the Node.js has to be installed in your system. So you have to use this command like npx create -react app project name. So this is the name of my file. So you can whatever you want, and then you have to create the React project. Once I created the React project, I can use a shortcut keyword as code dot. Automatically, your folder, your project will be uploaded to the Visual Code Studio. So this is the first and foremost steps to create a React. So in the React, you can create a React into this like with JSX and without JSX. So like without JSX is that it's set to be React elements. So like this is a sample code of displaying the Hello World program. So for this, you need two packages. What are they means? Import React from React, and then we need a DOM, that is the document object model from the React DOM. So these are the two main library functions are there. And then we have to use a keyword called constant element is equal to React dot create element. Here I am passing parameters here. One is the what kind of the tag that I'm supposed to use. Second is the styling part. As I didn't use any styling part here, that's why I passed a smile here, and then the content that I am to display is the hello world. And I have to render, that is React DOM dot render element document dot get element id by root. So this is very important. You have to type this content in the index.js in the source folder. So if I want to add styling, so in the second value I can pass styling here. But in the previous example, I didn't use any styling part, that's why I passed as null here. So in the second part, class name is equal to test hello, you can pass the styling here. And then finally, we need a DOM here. With the help of DOM equals like takes two parameters like element and container, like what we want to render and where we want to render. What we want to render means we want to render the header tag. Where we want to render, we want to display the content in the HTML page. So this is set up by the React, and then this is sample code. So and then finally I have to mention in the div id is equal to root. I have to mention, then we will call the particular tag. So the like you can create more nodes also. It's not like that you can create single node. You can create as many as values you need. Like here I created a list here, unordered list with a list of null and then salmon pilots. So these things are all going to be displayed. My root name is React container. That's why it is React is getting and then displayed on over here. So as well as I can create as an array of children also instead of the single children. Thank you.